The area again. You can sing, sir? Alright, sing, let me hear. No, 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 don't hold it, just sing. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. How fun is to run nothing.
Horse open sleigh.
What should he say? And a what?
And a one horse open sleigh.
Alright, mommy know which song. And a one horse open sleigh. How are you?
Okay.
What do you plan for the holidays?
Work.
Work? Just work with these two little lovelies? Not going to do anything special? Little
They're
cake?
going off for holiday.
Oh, they're leaving for the holidays. Lucky you. Look
I
at
have work.
only because you have work. Alright. So anyway, when you're getting the gift for them, ship it through us. I want to invite you to the family. Make you a part of the family, alright?
Okay.
By the way, putting this out there, do you want to send greetings to anyone of foreign? This is the chance. Come closer. This is the chance. Who you want to send greetings to?
There's a whole lot. I can't remember everybody's name.
Well, give me a few.
Auntie Simone.
So say it now.
Who you say?
Auntie Simone.
Alright, you want to send greetings to Auntie Simone? Who else?
You want to say Auntie
Cass.
And Cass. Who you want to send to mommy? Auntie Annie? Oh, nice.
Abby.
Abby. Alright. There we go. So, we are sending greetings right across the world. Of course, we're sending love as well, not just greetings. Wishing you all the best for the holidays and peace. Cheers. Pleasure.